laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm.
Good morning. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. So this is a new vlog that I'm starting. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers, to my returning subscribers, to my family. Welcome all, and hope you find this channel fun and enjoyable. I have my bonnet right now is at 8, guys. My hair is so new and it's so painful. It's so painful. Anyway, right now I've just woken up. I've done the dishes. You can imagine I want to go buy milk to prepare breakfast. And guys, we are at 250 subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed. Please, let's continue subscribing. I want by December, by when we are crossing to the new year, maybe we will have reached 500 subscribers. Anything is possible, guys. Anything is possible. Anyway, so, and before I forget, there is someone who texted me. I saw your comment, guys, and she said, how can she get in touch with me? So I replied to her, guys, if you want to get in touch with me, go to DM me on Instagram as Naema Bonareri. Also, I have an email I've written on my description box, and I also write here, Naema Bonareri Neema@gmail.com. DM me, email me if you want to talk to me about anything. Just DM me on Instagram also, or you can check my email. I'll also email me. I will reply it also. I am tired. That is what I wanted to tell you before I forget. Guys, niko Nairobi, but our neighbor anafuga kuku. So let me go to the shop, buy milk, and then come prepare breakfast.
Rhythm of our hearts bound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me, wrapped up in blankets, under the sheets, lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table, lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts bound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me.
I've decided to wash my shoes. I've shown you how I clean them, my white shoes. The ones that I don't want to. Friends here. Hey friends, how are you friends? Anyway, the ones that I don't want stain to remain on them, the white ones, you understand what I mean. I usually cover them with tissue, and then I'll show you after they have dried up. I'll show you how they look clean, white, stainless. I'll show you. Hope I remember to do that, but I'll show you. You see now how my shoes are sparkling clean. Look, hakuna stain. There is no stain. Clean, very clean. Hii ni tissue bado iko hapa. So clean, guys. Guys, good morning. How are you? Today is on Sunday. I want to style my hair, and then we go.
The sheets, lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down.
Guys, right now in the morning I want to take this as breakfast. It's leftover for yesterday. I didn't eat yesterday, I slept hungry, but anyway I'm gonna bow, so that is what I want to take right now. Then so sijui kama nitakunywa chai, I don't know. Then I shall go to church. Guys, so I'm back, I'm ready to go to church. I'm here to show you my Sunday OTTD outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this blazer, this black and white blazer. You can see the details, they're even here, and this black top, and then I'm wearing a black skirt and black shoes, black handbag, black hair. Anyway guys, let me see you. Let me apply this lip gloss. In a lip gloss no longer your 30 bob. Is it 30 or 50 bob? Yeah guys, let me see you after. I'll show you the whole outfit, how I look. Yeah, see you. So guys, the lighting is not good. I'm from church, I'm so tired. Right now is at, I think it's 2, I don't know right now. So let me go find something to eat. Let me change, find something to eat. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow on Monday. So guys, see you. Guys, sijui kama mnaweza niona vizuri. I've rested for some hours, not minutes, hours. Nimelala, I've changed, I've eaten, and right now naendea cabbage. I think nimeonyesha place sisi to buy cabbage. It's somewhere around our home. That is where I'm going right now. Guys, I'm vlogging na bado watu wanapita. So anyway, sijui courage nimetoa wapi sahi. So let me take you guys, and then I'll show you where I buy the cabbage. Nataka cabbage.
My friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight.
Guys, how are you? Welcome back to my video, welcome back to my channel. Today is on Monday morning and it's raining inaonyesha vibaya sana, but I want to wash the utensils, hakuna maji, and then it is raining. Let me show you how it's raining outside. I don't know kama nita manage. You see, don't know whether you have seen. Anyway, let me wash these utensils, go buy milk, come and prepare breakfast. Leo sidhani kama kutakuwa na vitu vingi za kufanya because it's raining outside. Naenda kutafuta nini huko nje sahi. Anyway, let's see.
Day to night, nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road,
I'm outside. I want to take my lunch. Customer karibia hiyo. Acha niwaonyeshe kitu inaongea hiyo. Guys, let me take my lunch. Then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Hello guys, good morning. How are you doing? So today is on Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. So right now I want to wash this dish rack. Because nowadays I'm so lazy. I'm too lazy. I'm so lazy. I've never washed this thing for like I don't know how many weeks, 3 or 4 or even a month. I don't know. So right now I want to wash it because there is water. I want to do it. Right now it's at 7. 8. I want to finish cleaning it by 20 minutes. I'm done. So yeah, let's do it.
every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day and night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. On this road every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned.
Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the dance like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop moves wrap around my very being. Full place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words and feeling my intentions.
clean. So guys, how are you? Good morning. How are you doing? So hope you're doing well. Continuation of the same vlog. My shirt is still that. Is it my shirt or my t-shirt? Today is on Wednesday, and I'm taking breakfast. Let me show you what I'm taking. Lighting is not good. My phone is 13%. Hata sijui nilikuwa nafanya usiku. Tea and these cakes. Guys, let me take breakfast, then I'll talk to you guys later. Look at my nails, guys. Oh guys, right now is at 2. I'm having my lunch. I want to take this lunch, go shower, come, close this vlog, edit it, and then post it tomorrow, because I'm supposed to post this video tomorrow before 10. So guys, and then I go to charge my phone. My phone is 2%, guys. Let me charge it, then go shower, then come close this vlog. So guys, actually guys, I think my favorite color is black. Because tell me why I keep on wearing black clothes every now and then. Hadi mtu anafikiria niko na nguo moja. Anyway guys, I've already showered. I feel so fresh. And then I don't know my hair looks like this. But guys, I want to close this vlog. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much for your support. Hiyo ni lunch guys, hizi masufuria ziko na chakula. Thank you so much for your support. I've really seen your support guys. Road to 300 subscribers. Thank you so much, and until the next video guys, see you.